When Thomas and Sarah were looking for their first home, Thomas found this 1,600 square foot house right around the corner from where he grew up.
I feel like I just need more land to pursue my hobbies and the things I've become interested in, and I think the country is calling my name.
Have you ever lived in the country before?
I haven't, which I think it would be a really neat experience.
All the parts of the country that Sarah wants, she already has here.
While their lot may have more land than Sarah is giving it credit for, there's no denying the house itself doesn't have the space needed to house this family's most immediate goal.
We would like to start a family soon, but upstairs the ceilings are pretty low. It's just really not usable space. When we start our family, where's the baby gonna go?
Well, we probably would have to update the upstairs. I know that a family can be raised here and can be raised well.
No matter what we do to this house, it'll never feel like it has enough space. The kitchen is just not working. It is not functional. And it's pretty impossible for me and Thomas to cook at the same time.
While it's a challenge, it's not really something we're trying to do all the time.
The kitchen is small. If people sit down at the table and we open the refrigerator, it kind of bumps into their chair and we have to ask them to move.
It doesn't keep us from entertaining anybody here, so we roll with it.
And the other thing that isn't working like it should is their main floor master bedroom.
The previous owners had renovated the master bedroom, but the closets weren't touched. They're very small. So Thomas has his closet downstairs, and then I have mine upstairs. When I wake up, I have to go upstairs and pick out my outfit and then come back downstairs.
I'd happily switch with her, let her have the smaller one, and I would go upstairs instead.
But I need more space than that.
She also needs a bedroom that doesn't have such obvious evidence of former water issues.
We have water stains in the master bedroom.
It's not good, but these are things that can be fixed.
So when we get to fixing that, who knows what else is there that we haven't fixed yet.
But that's just part of having an old house.
I think I'm just ready for a new house.
What does your list say?
Must-haves to stay. Updated country kitchen, reconfigure layout of living room, move laundry out of basement, add master bathroom, additional storage space in master bedroom, raise the roof to the upstairs, upgrade the upstairs bathroom, and add a greenhouse outside. Oh my God.
Wow.
What's yours?
Must-haves to go. Mature neighborhood. Enough land for more chickens. Stop laughing. At least 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large country-style kitchen, open entertaining space, wraparound porch.
Hilary and David have taken in the troubled house and certainly have their thoughts on the subject.
We've been through your house, and looking at the list that you've given me, you probably need more space outside and inside, and that's what I'm gonna deliver.
Perfect.
I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $309,000. What is the budget for the new house?
$425,000.
See, that's not gonna get you exactly what you have on your list in the city, but maybe we can look at other alternatives.
Of course, you can find something in the country. The challenge is to get you what you want in the city, and that's what I'm going to make happen for you. But I need to know my budget.
You have $115,000.
You asked me to raise the roof.
Yep.
It is a very expensive thing to do.
I think Hilary could do whatever she wants to do.
And increase the value.
Increase the value,
so
right.
that you can get the house and property that you actually
Right.
need.
Right.
My job is to make this house work for you, and I plan to do that. And when I'm done, you're going to love it.
No.
Back at the house, Hilary and contractor Eric have arrived, knowing they'll need to use every penny of their $115,000 renovation budget and every possible inch of this house if they have any hope of convincing Sarah to stay.
It doesn't look a lot better empty, does it?
No.
I want to start with the kitchen. The only way to make any change here is to create more space. So I want to extend the whole side of this house.
Okay.
I want to bump this out and take up the space that is currently the veranda. Blow this wall out here too.
Absolutely. Corner to
Okay?
corner.
That gives me a nice big kitchen and living room. And right here, I want to close off the existing opening, put in 2 beautiful French doors. They will remain open, which will make this feel even bigger when they have guests. Doors close. It's going to be amazing.
Brilliant.
The next thing is the bedroom. What we would like to do is create a master ensuite. And the way we're going to do that is to take the existing bathroom space and extend it out to at least the length of this bedroom here.
Okay.
There's going to be a shower, double vanity, and a toilet. Then I want to get a closet out of this.
Okay.
I want to take this wall out. Guest room is next door. The guest room doesn't work unless it has a bathroom. We bump this out, and that will give us the space to create a 3/4 bathroom, which will be a separate little place for their guests to come.
And you still have a decent-sized master.
With an eye on expansion, Hilary has her team ripping into the wraparound porch in order to convert its precious square footage into shiny new kitchen and living space. Inside, hammers swing on the main floor, first destroying the contentious country kitchen, then attacking the bathroom to make way for the brand new master bath and walk-in closet. And as the tiny spaces begin to hint at their true potential, there's no denying the progress being made on the home front. But Hilary's not the only one making bold moves, because over 15 minutes outside of town, David too is diving in with both feet, hoping that a bigger house on considerably more land doesn't leave him drowning.
Is this not incredible?
This looks like a lot of work before we're even in the house.
I'm giving you a space to expand. More chickens.
More gardens.
And more house.
At 2,300 square feet, this house is considerably larger than theirs, giving them plenty of room for 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. In the interest of entertaining, the house boasts a large living and dining room combination, as well as a finished basement with a laundry room and rec space. All of this on a large forest-lined lot 15 minutes outside of town.
You walk into the house and right away, it sort of has a different sense than yours.
Yeah, this thing hasn't been updated.
This house is way more updated than your current house. Your eat-in kitchen.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, it needs a little bit of updating.
That seems to be the theme of this house.
You flow from your eat-in kitchen to your family room that has access to the backyard, which is nice.
We have that too, though.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$360.
400.
This house is listed at $399, which is below the top end of your budget.
But if I'm gonna come this far out of the city, it needs to be right. I would be willing to go further for the right place.
Yeah, I'm willing to go further out.
Or get the right place really close to town, but not the halfway in between.
All right, let me see what I can do.
While the couple heads home to discover the measures Hilary's willing to take to save this house for Sarah.
What happened to the porch?
I am so excited. It's down. It's gone.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, it's right.
I don't know about
isn't that fantastic? This wall's coming down. That means that your kitchen can expand all the way through to pretty much where you're standing. They're going to be demolishing this part of the porch, and when that comes down, I can do exactly the same thing with the living room so that you'll have a really good-sized living room.
I don't know about that. I'm disappointed this is gone, and now you tell me this is gonna go away, and then we don't have a wraparound? Like, I don't
You
think
want
that
a
was a good
wraparound?
choice. I do want a wraparound. This is where, like, we hang out.
I knew that we were gonna have to give something up to get definitely the kitchen.
But I don't want that porch touched over there. I think that needs to stay where it is.
You told me to do whatever I want. All I can do now is expand your kitchen, but you won't have a bigger living room.
If you want me to stay in this house.
All right, that's it then.
Her team is moving ever forward, framing up the tiny extension outside the master bedroom that will soon be home to the new master bath and walk-in closet. Elsewhere, the framing of the newly expanded kitchen wraps up and the roof goes on. And as the new face of this home begins to take shape, it's becoming clear just how much potential these expanded spaces have to solve Sarah's many daily dysfunctions. And while big changes continue to roll out at home, not far away, David has a change of his own. Because despite his determination to find them a house further out from the city, a last-minute listing closer to town may actually deliver David everything he needs to convince Thomas to move.
15 minutes from downtown. We are closer.
A little bit closer.
I think it's cute.
It looks all right. Let's see the inside.
At 3,000 square feet, this house is almost double the size of theirs and features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Creating easy entertaining are an eat-in kitchen and family room combination with separate dining room, while the main floor laundry and office for Thomas, combined with the acre of centrally located land it's situated on, just might help make this house tough for him to argue.
What do you think?
Feels a little generic.
Generic?
I like that it's open. I like the ceilings are tall.
It's just that it feels like country straight out of a catalog.
Here is something that you don't have. A dining room.
This is a great space.
It just feels like grandma's dining room.
I don't think Hilary can give us anything close to this kind of space.
No. The kitchen.
That's great.
An eat-in kitchen that's ready to entertain in. Listen,
There's some updates that would need to be done a little bit.
that's the only way you're gonna get exactly what you want. Look at this. There's an acre of land that comes with this house.
That's nice.
You could easily put a greenhouse down here.
We could do a bigger chicken coop here, too.
I like this porch.
What do you think this house is listed at?
400,000?
What do you think?
550 maybe.
This house is listed at $499,000. And remember, we're only like 15 minutes from downtown. It's not within your budget to get exactly what you want where you want it.
Yep.
And we will continue to look at more stuff everywhere in the city and out of the city to sort of get you everything that you want.
Okay.
Back at the house, with the custom kitchen cabinetry going in, Hilary is startled to find she has guests.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're just feeding the chickens.
Yeah.
I'm afraid I'm not going to let you come into the house, all right?
Oh, man.
We did notice part of a wall over there.
Yes, you can see a little bit of the retaining wall, and that's going to make a huge difference to how everything feels and, of course, how it functions.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the function.
I've been thinking, and I know we've talked about this before, but I really want to get your washer and dryer out of this basement and up into your house.
So you're saying main level laundry?
It drives me crazy that it's in the basement.
Okay. I'm a little hesitant because I wanted a full guest bathroom downstairs because that's kind of the whole point. So I'm not really sure.
But on
if
the other
want
hand,
it.
I mean, we do laundry a lot more than we have guests.
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense for, for resale value.
Well, I mean, I hate to
eventually,
admit it, but yes, actually it does for
Right.
resale value, but I think also, because I fully expect you to stay put, it will make a big difference to the way your life functions.
While Hilary may have finally won the battle to bring the laundry out of the basement, the war inside the small house wages on. In the brand new master bathroom, the vanity is installed and tiling begins. Meanwhile, the expanded kitchen is taking on a decidedly modern country look, thanks to the addition of sleek wood paneling and a stunning tin ceiling. 30 minutes away, David thinks he's found the house and land that fits the bill for the future of this family.
Here we are. Now, I know we've seen a lot of stuff. I think this has everything.
It's just so far.
You've got 2 acres of land to work with here.
It's cute. I like it.
At 3,500 square feet, this move-in ready home features 3 bedrooms, an office, and 3 bathrooms, including a spacious master bathroom. Entertaining couldn't be easier thanks to its open concept main floor and roomy updated kitchen. And while it may be all the way out of town, driving that far gives them 2 acres of land, ready and waiting for Sarah's green thumb.
Okay, come on in. Over here, you have your formal dining room, and then you flow into your formal living room area.
Feels open without feeling too big.
I do like the light in here, but I'm not quite sold on this place.
All right, clearly I've got some work to do. Let's go. Then you flow into this.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah.
It's an eat-in kitchen
I do like this kitchen a lot.
Lots of space.
that really is going to be conducive to family life and entertaining life. Now we flow from here to here.
This is great.
Yeah.
You've got the kitchen right there, so that gives you the connection that you want.
I like this room a lot.
What do you think this house is listed at?
415.
425.
This house is listed at $434,000, just above the top end of your budget.
It just comes down to if it's worth the drive.
I think it is.
I think it is too.
I'm gonna go lock up.
With those images still fresh in their minds, Sarah and Thomas head home, where at long last they get to tour their own house now that the extensive renovations are completed both inside and out.
You ready?
We're
Yeah,
ready.
for sure.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, man.
I like it. It feels really open and airy.
You now have a full-on sectional and a table and a chair, and it doesn't feel at all
No,
cramped.
it feels bigger without being bigger.
Now, what about this room? This is a whole other area for you two to enjoy.
Yeah.
Great.
This was your guest room that was horrible.
I like it.
Awesome.
That's a pull-out sofa. What I love is the fact that it's now part of your living space and also very functional for you when you have a guest.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Oh, my goodness.
Your porch that you were so sad about,
Wow.
of course, allowed us to put a dining room table here.
Well worth it.
Yeah.
You really have a sense of a country home, but you are in the city. Everything here is clearly today.
I
Yeah.
think you did a really nice job.
It goes together
Yeah,
really well.
it does.
So now this is a huge change.
Wow.
Great.
Yeah.
Here is the retaining wall that is essential to keeping any water from
Right.
coming into your house.
Wow.
You have a greenhouse.
Yay. Wow, that's the perfect size,
It's a
too.
good size.
And this is what really changes everything. This is an amazing sitting area that extends your home because this is a very viable entertaining area.
This is great.
Here you go.
Oh. Yeah, that's nice.
That's an awesome feel to it.
I like it. And the laundry.
And storage, too.
And storage.
I didn't know we were gonna get
And this closes. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's a good solution for that,
Yeah.
don't you think?
It's different.
This is really different, yeah.
Now, you do remember I took some space.
But it doesn't feel like it at all.
It's great.
Now, you got storage.
Oh.
Wow, look at all that.
Nice.
You don't even need to go upstairs.
This is great.
You remember I had to build a little bit of an extension out?
Yeah, behind
Here's
the
what's
door.
in the extension.
Wow.
Look at that shower. Oh my goodness.
This is really nice.
I love it.
Go talk to David and we'll see how it turns out, all right?
That's good.
So, decision made,
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
What?
Yes! What do you want?
The country! 3 bedrooms! The future!
I was tired of going up and down, I don't have to go up and down. Everything's on this first floor. So I think everything we need right now we have here in this house.
Excellent.
Yes.
See, that's fine. It works for you now.
Works for us now.
That's what I told you.
All right. It was a pleasure.
It was good.
You did a great job.
It was a pleasure.
All right, guys, it was great working with you.
Yes,
Thank you.
too.
Enjoy your house.